Hello, this is Marudambal. We are come back again through the video. Okay, last class we learned exercise 1.3, that is function. Okay, function means the two non-empty set related by some particular condition. It is called function. Already I explained using some examples. That means if you go to the rice mill means you will get a full of bucket raw rice. In the rice mills it's grind, after that it will come out rice flour. So what is the condition between raw rice and rice flour means the condition is grinding. Like this milk curdling is become curd, the green leaf is dry means become brown leaf, it's become drier. So two things are connected by some particular condition, it's called function. Okay. Today I am going to explain the type of function. There are 5 type of functions in functions. Okay, there are 5 types of functions. That is, the first one is one function. The first one is one function. The another name for one function, it's also called injection. Okay, the another name of one function is also called injection. Here in this picture I will draw two non-empty set, that is A and B, that is A and B. Here see, every element are connected together, every element are connected together. Already I taught you, this is called, in the codomain elements is called image and domain elements is called pre-image. The codomain elements is called image and the domain elements is called pre-image. Each element in A have only one image in B. Meanwhile, each element in B has only one pre-image in A. The picture is drawn like this. These type of function, these type of relation, this type of connection is called one function, is called one function. Again, each element in A has only one image in B. Meanwhile, each element in B has only one pre-image in A. This is called one function. The another name of one function is called injection. Okay, this is the first type. The second type is onto function. Show the picture, see the picture, here two non-empty set like this, the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, the elements 1, 2, 3 in B. Here one element in A have one image, but in this side one element in B have two or more pre-image. The element of A have only one image, but the element in B have two or more pre-image in A, that is 2. See, 2 have 2 pre-image, that is 1 and 3. Here 3 have 2 pre-image, that is 4 and 5. Here 2 have only one image and 1 has only one pre-image. So in this side here, in this codomain, have the elements of codomain have 2 or more pre-image in element A is called onto function. This is also called surjection. See the picture, it is very clear. Here 1 have the image 2 and 3 have also the image 2. 2 have only one image. 4 have the image 3 and 5 is also have image 3. So the element in A have 2 or more elements in A have only one image in B. 2 or more elements in A have only one image in the B is called onto function. Okay, 2 or more elements in A have only one element in B is called onto function. The another name of onto function is called surjection. Okay, the next one is into function. See the picture here, A and B. Okay, each element have only one image and only one pre-image, but only one element is not have pre-image in A. It's not have pre-image in A. So it is called, this type of function is called into function. This type of connection is called into function. In the element B, only one element that have no relation in A, that is called into function. Okay. The next is many one function. Many one function means in A and B, two non-empty set, two or more elements have only one image in B is called many one function. Two or more elements have only one element in B is called many one function. For like this, here 1 is a image. What is the pre-images of 1? That is 1, 4, 5, like this. Here 1, 4, 5 have same image in B. So this type of function is called many one function. That is, two or more elements have same images in B means that is called many one function. The last one is bijection. Bijection means the function is two type of function connected together, that is called bijection. That is, one function and onto functions are mingled together, that is called bijection. So there are 5 types of function, that is one function, onto function, into function, many one function. The last one is bijection. One means each image have only one pre-image and B has only one pre-image has only one image. This is called one function. Onto function means two or more element have only one image, that is called 1 and 3 have same image, that is 2. This is called onto function. Last one is in a codomain have no pre-image. If any one element that have no pre-image, it is called into function. Many one function means 1 or 2 or more elements in A have same images in B. Only one images, 2 or more elements in A have only one elements in B is called many one function. Bijection means one function and onto functions are mingled together, it is called bijection. Okay. By using these types, we are do the exercise 1.4. Now I am going to enter the exercise. Okay. Exercise 1.4, you see the graph. Okay. They will draw a curved. Here this is first question and this is second. Using the vertical line diagram. Okay. If you draw a vertical line through the curve meets only one point means that is function. If the curve meets 2 points means that is not a function. We find out which one is function or which one is not a function by using vertical line. Vertical line means this is called vertical line and this is called horizontal line. Okay. By using vertical lines, I am going to find out which one is function or which one is not a function. Okay. Here I will draw a vertical line through the curve. Here this vertical line meets 2 points in the curve. Here 1, here 2. More than 1 means if the line is cut it more than 1 point means it is not a function. Here these line meet 2 points 1, 2. So is this function? No, it is not a function. Not a function because the vertical line meet 2 points. So it is not a function. If the vertical lines meet 1 point means it is a function. Now I am going to prove. Here I will draw a vertical line through the curve. Here these curve and vertical line meet only 1 point. So it is a function? Yes, it is a function. Because this vertical line meet only 1 point. The same thing you have to draw the another line here. This is also have only 1 point. If the vertical line meet a curve means it introduce 2 points means it is not a function. It is cut it into 1 points mean it is a function. So this is a function, this is not a function because it have only 1 point meeting point, it have 2 meeting point. Okay. The another third sum and fourth sums are you are do in your home. It is very easiest one. Next sum. Okay. Next sum. Function from A to B be a function. Define. This is the condition. F of x is equal to x by 2 minus 1. Then the domain, the input value is domain, that is 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. You have to substitute these values in this condition. Which place you have to substitute? Yes, that is x place. Okay. Then B is a codomain. Now we are going to solve the condition and matching two elements and find out the range. Then you have to set, the first condition is set of order pair. Second, table. Third, you denote the pair in arrow diagram. Then fourth is graph. Okay. Here the condition is f of x is equal to x by 2 minus 1. X by 2 minus 1. First, f of x means first you have to substitute 2 instead of x. So f of 2 means 2 by 2 minus 1, 2 minus 2 divided by 2 means that is 0. Then you have to substitute 4. 4 by 2 minus 1, that is 4 minus 2 divided by 2 means 2 by 2, that is 1. Then f of 6. Here 6 by 2 minus 1, that is 6 minus 2 by 2, 4 by 2, that is the answer is 2. Next, f of 10. 10 by 2 minus 1, 10 minus 2 divided by 2, that is 8 by 2, the answer is 4. The last one, 12. 12 by 2 minus 1, that is 12 minus 2 divided by 2, 10 by 2, cancellation means the answer is 5. So, I will substitute each values in x and solve it like this. So, the pair of 2 is, the image of 2 is 0, the image of 4 is 1, the image of 6 is 2, the image of 10 is 4, last the image of 12 is 5. Okay. Set of order pair means I am going to write f is equal to 2, 0, then 4, 1, then 6, 2, then 10, 4, then 12, 5. This is the ordered pair. Okay. Next, write it in a table. Table means I am going to write here, these are x value, these are f of x value. X values are, what is it? 2, 4, 6, 10, then 12. 2 means the answer is f of x is 0. 4 means the answer is 1. 6 means the answer is 2. 10 means the answer is 4. 12 means the answer is 5. This is the table. Then third one is draw in a arrow diagram. Arrow diagram means domain, codomain. I am going to relate two elements. Which one is A? 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. D is 0. Order pair means 0, 1, 2, 4, 5 and 9. Okay. Here 2 it's related 0, 4 is related 1, 6 is related 2, 10 is related 4, then 5 is related, 12 is related 5. So, each element have only one images. Okay. Here this is a 1, 2 function and it's a into function. It's also a into function because this element does not have a pre-image. Next is graph. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. You have to write the values of x-axis in this place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is y-axis means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Here 2, it's 0. So, point is here. 4 is 1. Here. Then 6 is 2. Then 10 is 4. Then 12 is 5. Okay, this is graph method. If you join means the picture is like this. If the vertical line means it have meet only one point. So, it is a function. Okay, here you substitute a value in x and solve it. If you find the pair, first you have to write a pair type, then you have to write a table type, after that you have to write a order type, and this is a graph type. Okay. Okay. The next sum is a function if minus 5 comma 9. Okay. The relation is defined minus 5 comma 9. The relation is defined. First the condition is 6x plus 1. If the x value is minus 5 greater than or equal to 2 less than. So, here the number is minus 5, here 2. Minus 5 greater means minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Okay. This is the numbers between minus 5 greater than or is equal to x less than 2. Next, in this condition 5x squared minus 1, 2 greater than or equal to 1 and 6 is less than x. So here the number is 2, 1, greater means 2, 3, 4, 5. Here the numbers are 2, 3, 4, 5. Next the condition is 3x minus 4. If 6, the x value is 6 equal and 6 greater than, 9 equal and 9 less than. So the numbers are 6, 7, 8, 9. So by using these conditions, by using these number, we solve the condition. The first one is f of minus 3 plus f of 2. So f of 3 means which condition we have to use, this one or this one or this one. Here in this session minus 3 is not here. The x value is not belongs to minus 3. In this section is also the x value is not belongs to minus 3. But in this the first one is minus 3 is here. The x value is belongs to minus 3. So we have to use this condition solving f of minus 3. So the condition is 6x plus 1. So f of minus 3, you have to write x instead of minus 3. So 6 of minus 3 plus 1. So 6 3s are 18. Minus 18 plus 1 means minus 17. Okay. Next f of 2. We have to substitute. 2 means the condition is 5x squared minus 1 because the x value is satisfied the condition 5x squared minus 1. So the condition is 5x squared minus 1. So you have to substitute 2 value in x place. So 5 of 2 squared plus minus 1. So 5 into 2 2s are 4. Square means the number is repeated 2 times. So 2 2s are 4 minus 1. So 5 4s are 20 minus 1 19. So I will satisfy the first condition. F of minus 3 is minus 17 and plus f of 2 is 19. So opposite sign means you have to subtract and put the greater number. So 19 minus 17, the answer is 2. The same thing f of 7. Which condition satisfied? 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4 means substitute f of 7. 3 of 7 minus 4, 21 minus 4. Okay. 21 minus 4 means the answer is 17. The same thing f of 1. F of 1 means which condition satisfied? Here the first condition 6x plus 1. So f of 1 is 6 of 1 plus 1 is equal to 6 plus 1 7. So substitute the values. F of 7 is 17 and f of 1 is 7. So the answer is 10. The same type of sums in exercise 1.5, 1.4. So please you people are do in your home. Please repeat once again the video. It is very clear to you. Okay. Thank you.